Okay, we are back. Our call of the day involves Jim Lebenthal's single largest position. Pull Jimmy up. Let's see Jimmy. Because Cleveland Cliffs, Jim, why are you smiling? The stock got downgraded. Cleveland Cliffs. The sector weight at KeyBanc, price target not applicable. The prior one was $20. Shares are fully valued currently, they say. They look at risks and changes in the global automotive and industrial demand and the U.S. dollar, among other things. What do you say, Jim?
This is a terrible call. I'm sorry. I can't sugarcoat this for the analyst. First off, I'm smiling because the stock's up 2% today, so that's what the market thinks of the call. This is a company that raised guidance twice in the last month, just in the last month. And the last time was 2 days ago on Thursday on the earnings call. So, you know, the analyst is below the guidance, not by a lot, but below the guidance. He's got a multiple that doesn't reflect the fact that the balance sheet debt is getting paid down like crazy. And he's just off sides. This is a company run by a CEO, Lorenzo Goncalves, who is spoon-feeding the analyst community what they need to know. If he wants to get off sides with this, it's his call, but it's the wrong call.
Well, I mean,
he's
been on
likely to
sides.
get a call from
Lorenzo. He's been on sides the whole time, though, right? I mean, they upgraded the stock in November of 2020, November 19th. The shares are up 102%. The S&P's up 17%. Right? So he was on sides. What's the problem with advising somebody to hit the sidelines for a little bit?
Yeah. If he's doing this, as you just said, go to the sidelines for a little bit, there's a pretty big danger that the stock runs away from you and you never get back into it. That's why I haven't tried to trade this. You and I have had a little bit of a discussion about this, and that's why it's grown to be so large, is because I don't trade it. I just let the company keep doing what it says it's going to do. And by the way, its guidance, per the press release, is based on conservative pricing for iron ore and steel, which if you look at what those markets are doing, this is not the time to be conservative on those pricings. So I think he is offsides. You know, we'll see who's right, but I think he's going to be chasing this stock to get back into it. Remember where we are in the economic cycle. People are buying cars. They're buying washing machines. That's where steel is being sold from Cleveland Cliffs. So I just don't get it.
Okay. No, you're entitled to your opinion for sure. By the way, it's Goncalves, right? He's the CEO.
Yes.
He's going to be on with Jim Cramer tonight, by the way, on Mad Money. I'm looking, Jim just tweeted that, so you don't want to miss that. I'm sure Jim's going to ask him about the downgrade. And look, you're obviously not the only bullish shareholder here. Steve Weiss, you own the stock too.
Yeah, I'm happy to be minor Jim's wingman on this one. I also own Valet because iron ore is so strong. They'll report tonight. I think it's going to be a good quarter. They already gave the production numbers up 16% year over year. That'll help lift Cleveland Cliffs as well. So we'll win both ways on that. So look, China's doing too well. The rest of the world's coming along. I just think it keeps going. You'll get the infrastructure bill. This is the place to be.
Joe,
don't blame me for wanting to take a profit up 100%, but I'm staying.
Joe, give me 20 seconds on Freeport, what you bought more of, because you're bullish copper.
I did. You had a earnings sell-off. I took the other side of it. It's anything commodities right now. Wheat, corn, soybeans, 8-year high. Palladium, copper, all-time high. Coffee, 3-year high. Dollar, 2.5% lower on the month. Commodities are flying higher.